Hey, good morning. It's been pretty cold in Tokyo today, but there's one dish I know that's gonna warm me right up. You guys ready? Let's go to Sumo Street. Welcome to Ryogoku. And it's my mistake. This is more of Sumo Town than his Sumo Street. And this is where all the Sumo stadiums, the training centers, and what I'm here for, all the Sumo food restaurants are located. And I'm here for really just one particular dish, the Chanko Nabe. And right now I'm going to a restaurant called Chanko Tomogata. And this place is supposed to be the best at making this dish. This is it. This is the dish. Chanko is the dish typically eaten by sumo wrestlers to bulk up. And nabe is like a pot. So you see all of them have a ton of protein, bunch of veggies. All right, enough talking. Let's go eat this thing. Also, a lot of times these restaurants are opened by retired sumo wrestlers. Ooh, sumo handprint. I'm sort of at a disadvantage. This is really awesome. Very traditional. This is the way I'm sitting right now. Everyone, this place is open, so no one's got their food yet. It smells good though. There's a menu here that I can't read whatsoever, but I'm glad there's pictures. Wow. Seriously, thank goodness for the pictures. I want something with meat and I want some meatballs. I think this is gonna be my jam. My broth just arrived and everything just looks like a hot pot. Got a little electric stove. This is my broth, which is a salt-based broth. The most popular broth is the miso, but this meal set has the most variety of ingredients and they won't let me interchange the ingredients with the soup. So I have to get the salt-based soup because I need the ingredients. And apparently what's so special about this place is that their broth is chicken stock and they cook the chicken the day up with fresh chicken until the broth is extremely clear. And also their specialty is the sardine meatball that I'm having right now. And they get it directly from Tsukiji Market every single morning, fresh sardines, and that's what they're known for. All this reading is making me salivate. They brought this over to me. This is a bowl of sesame and a grinder. So they told me that with the sesame, what you do is you do ground it and take some of the broth after you boil everything and you taste it, and then you can add the sesame to give it a more fragrant sesame-y flavor. Wow. This smells so incredible. Oh. Oh, nice. Thank you. Hey, that's it? I could eat 3 of those. I'm just kidding. Cabbage, and then some onions, mushrooms, yep. Everything looks very fresh. Chicken, scallop, sardine meatball. Yeah, I heard about those. Tofu skin. Yep. So as a sumo wrestler, they only eat with this one plate?
No, like they eat with a very big
Yeah?
pot.
Like big everything. So much bigger than what I got.
Yeah.
Man, I want to eat that.
And
Do you guys actually serve that?
no, like not a big one.
You guys don't have the big one. Oh. It's a shame because I could have taken that. All right, I think this is ready. So after it's done, the rest of this meat,
Like the shabu-shabu?
yep, cooks really quickly. Yep, don't want to overcook that. I am so ready for this. Wow. That is a supremely flavorful broth. No joke, guys. They weren't kidding when they said they make really good broth. I mean, it's got a really clean taste. This profile is deep. And that broth, of course, is soaked up by all this great cabbage. Great cabbage. Never thought I ever say those words like ever. But when you can soak up that broth, you could maybe even be broccoli and I still might love you. Honestly, like it didn't look to me like this would have that much flavor. I mean, this thing kind of looks a little mundane. It's just like a hot pot soup with no spices in there. But really, there's a ton of flavor in this. I mean, man, don't ever judge a hot pot by its. So I'm gonna take some of that sesame I grounded. Oh, the sesame. Actually, you kind of need to add a lot of sesame and there's a reason why you have to kind of ground it up nicely so it mixes well with your broth. Oh yeah, it's so much better with the sesame even. And there's one thing I want to try. They do give you a little bit of spice here. Just want to try it. And trust me, the original flavoring, it's fine. It's great. But Being a spice head like myself, I just gotta try it. Little heat's good. This is weird to say, but I as much as I love spice, as much as I love heat, I like the regular broth more. All right, moment of truth. Let's try the sardine meatball. Kind of have really high expectations now, so and just oh wow, that popped in half real easy. Ooh, oh that's great. This thing, when you bite into it, it kind of falls apart. Really tender, really gentle, really fragile, and it has a fishy taste to it. Not in a bad way. You can taste the sardine. You can taste how ridiculously fresh. That's what you're tasting. Fresh fish. The texture is almost like half a meatball and half a fish ball. So there is some chew to it, which makes this even more splendid. This is so awesome so far. And all I had was the cabbage and meatball. All right, let's try out the chicken. Chicken is chicken. It's tender, but it's chicken, you know? This fish looks insane. Oh, that is a tender piece of fish. Oh, oh my God. This is a clean, meaty piece of fish. It almost tastes like a steak.
And what kind of fish is this?
Makazeki?
Yeah, Mekazaki.
Can you spell that?
Oh, swordfish. Okay, this is actually swordfish, but if you overcook this, it becomes kind of hard. So I'm gonna take this out right now. And right now, this fish, this is perfect. Look at that. Oh, yes, please. Oh, yes, please. And the salmon, again, breaks off just as easy. This salmon piece is just beyond delicate. Take a swim. It is in your nature. Oh. Oh, just forget about this fish. I'll tell you guys the truth. Before coming here, just seeing the pictures and everything, I didn't think that much about sumo cuisine. I didn't think it was gonna be all that good, but I would eat this every single time I'm back in Japan. Oh, now I'm all warmed up. I know I overcooked this, and that's a shame. Even though I cooked it a long time, that broth flavor just steeped into the meat itself. Like I said, anything added to this magical elixir is gonna taste really good. And throughout my life, I've eaten countless fish balls, like of all sorts.
I've eaten fish balls that are bouncy. I've eaten fish balls that are sticky. I've eaten fish balls with pork inside the fish ball.
This is by far the best. Now I can see why this place has like 4 stories. And when I first came in here, like everybody on their lunch break, they were all here.
My name is Shaha.
Shaha?
Yeah.
Hey Shaha.
Hello.
Hey Shaha's brought me some ramen.
Yeah.
Shaha isn't really that tall. I'm just like really low right now. Here we go. Oh, yes. You gotta have ramen with this broth. You have to. It's a must. So wait. So a sumo champion will drink out of that?
Yeah.
Like that exact one?
Yeah.
Sake?
Yes.
How full is that when they're drinking the sake?
Around 3-4 liters.
3-4 liters on that?
Yeah.
And they're just drinking the sake?
Yeah, but they don't drink all.
Oh, they just splash over their face. Okay. Okay. All right, my ramen has been cooking in this elixir of this broth of the gods.
Yeah.
Oh man, that ramen has absorbed all the essence in the noodles now, and the noodles are insane. You gotta do this and just slurp the heck out of it. Down to my last meatball, my last strand of noodles. Done. What a great meal. So I would 100% recommend you guys, if you're in Tokyo, come eat some sumo food. All the information for this place is listed for you in my description box below. This, honestly, this environment is great. It's very traditional. The owner, actually met her. She's fantastic. Everyone's so nice here. If you're gonna go anywhere for sumo food, I would recommend coming here. All right, thank you all so much for watching. And until we eat again, I'll see you later.